Welcome to Games with Connor. I'm Connor, but we're doing cooking with Connor. And today we are making White House fudge. And also my little helper is gonna be Kermit. Yay! Baby Kermit from the Muppet Babies, if you haven't noticed. Yay! Now, we start. This is the ingredients you'll need. Also, there's something, guys. This one of the ingredients would be nuts, but you don't have to add nuts, but you can add it if you want to. We're not adding nuts because a lot of people don't like nuts. And so you need 2 cups of marshmallow fluff, 1 can evaporated milk, and 12 ounces of chocolate from the chips. Chocolate, you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. And the 12 ounces, German sweet chocolate. Then there's 2 tablespoons, and then there's of butter, and then there is a pinch right here, a pinch of salt, and then there's some sugar. These are stuff you need. 4 cups of sugar, and that's all you need. You don't need nuts if you don't want to. Now, the first thing we're gonna add, Kermit, you can watch and tell me if I'm right. There you go. Hey, okay, you need your marshmallow fluff. You put it in the bowl. Here we go. Pour all of it, right? Alright, I'm going to pour all the chocolate. But there's still 4 more.
Social media because they
Talk on in here. Okay, guys, now you have to stir up your marshmallow thing with marshmallow and all your chocolate, and both chocolates. It's a little stuck. Kermit. Hey, okay, we're back now. We need a tip of this, and we're gonna boil it. We're to the stove, and we gotta boil these. So is this good enough? Get a little more? Is that good enough? Oh, yeah, it's good enough. Now, I guess we pour the stuff in there? Okay, let me go.
Milk. Okay.
Oh, the milk. Ew. Can I just pour it in there? Just pour it all? I got a case and got on my finger. Wait, don't cook it. Okay, now you cooked it already? Is it already cooking? Or not yet? Sugar! It's a sugar ray! Sugar! It's a whole plate of sugar! Now I stir. As I stir, is it hot? Is it still boiling? Is it still boiling? No? Is it boiling? Now you need to boil it for 1 minute and simmer for 7. And yeah, we'll see you then. Now you need to pour your sugar and your milk into the bowl. Then you gotta stir. Then you gotta stir. Hey guys, this is parchment paper, or you need parchment paper or just wax paper. It doesn't really matter which one. But you need to pour it. Just pour it in there.
And then what do you do?
Then you let it sit there for the overnight. And guess we'll see you then. Bye.
Come on.
This is we're here, and it's the next day. See you this morning, and this is what it looks like. I'm okay now. I'm about to eat the fudge, but just think about this: that all the presidents, and like Donald Trump, Abraham Lincoln, and all the rest, get to eat this fudge. So let's try it. That is delicious. Thanks you guys for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. And tell me what you want me to cook next, or play games, or whatever. Bye.